Hi, Vince here from Connect Wealth, and today we're going to talk about something that's crucial for every business owner, and that's financial planning. And so I'm going to go through 4 things that are super important for business owners. So the first one is begin with the end in mind. What do you mean by that? Well, essentially, for some business owners, they just start a business either because they have to because they lost their job or other purposes, but you need to begin with the end in mind. In other words, if I'm going to start this business, how do I at some point get out? Because it's easy to start a business, you just go, I'll sell something. But to actually, if you're successful anyway, to exit is a lot harder. Who do I sell to? Do I transition it to family? Do I sell it to someone else? Do I just wind it down at the end? So begin with the end in mind. How do you want to build the company? Number 2, structure the business well. There's many different structures a business owner can put in place. Sole proprietorship, partnerships, corporations, and then in the corporation side, you go, do you have a holding company? Do you have a family trust or a discretionary trust? Like there's so many options in place, and the corporate structure helps with a few different things. Tax efficiency of your planning, as well as possible liability protection. Anyway, there's a lot of complexity in the structure of a business, so make sure you talk to a specialist, like an advisor, who can help walk through that process. Number 3, protect what you're about to build. So if you're starting a business or you're in a business and it's been successful, you need to make sure you continue to protect it and review those protection assets regularly. So things, for example, like life insurance. If you die unexpectedly, is the business okay? Is your family okay? If you can't work for a period of time, are you the key revenue producer in the business? Well, if yes, you might want some disability insurance in place to protect the business if you couldn't work. What if you get really sick? Do you have partners? If you have partners, you're going to probably want to have a shareholder agreement. Well, you will want a shareholder agreement in place, but in there you want to, again, protect against what if one of those partners dies unexpectedly. Cyber insurance is a big thing. Liability insurance, if somebody has an accident when you're at your office or something like that. So talk to the different professionals that can help protect. And then lastly, when possible, if possible, if your company is really successful, diversify your assets. Your business will be your most valuable asset, most likely, if you do really well in business. Once you do, what you want to do when possible is start diversifying your assets. RSPs, TFSAs, other stock portfolios or real estate, but diversify your asset base, because as much as business goes well now, we all know life changes, and when it does, you want to make sure you have kind of those rainy day funds available to help draw from if the world goes a little sideways. That's just a quick snapshot. There's so much complexity and it's so much fun. If you want to talk about your specific situation, just give us a call. We're here to help.